boys and girls, today we're going to be practicing writing our numbers from 11 to 20. So go ahead and write your name at the top. And then all you're going to do is just trace the numbers and say them to yourself as you are tracing them. So we're just going to go 16, 16, 16. And I just want you to trace all the numbers in your very best handwriting. That's all you're going to do.
So your teacher loves it.
Yep. And so you're proud of yourself too.
Yeah.
Now the next number is 17. 17. 17. 17. 17. Just like this. We're just practicing tracing them. And next we're going to do 18. 18. 18. 18. And then boys and girls, what I want you to do is do all of the numbers on this side, do all of the numbers on both sides, and this side. I want you to work independently, which means by yourself.
No talking to friends.
Yep.
Even if they're trying to distract you, don't listen.
Yep.
Just ignore them like I did.
Yep, and then we turn it into the basket and start on your dream box. So go ahead and turn it into the basket and then start your dream box.